back to my channel. Today I have my special guest as usual, and
Hi.
and as you know, in the last week description we had mentioned that we were gonna draw a landscape. So the type of landscape we'll be drawing today is a waterfall. Yay! So she is going to teach me how to draw. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so first we'd draw like the water like rushing down, so let's draw like some squiggly lines,
Okay.
like about that big.
Okay. Kind of making it squiggly.
Yeah, because water isn't straight.
Yeah.
And then the same thing.
Okay. Mine's a bit narrow, but it's okay.
Yeah. Then we're gonna make like how to explain it? Like
Just draw
so
it.
like a cloud shape, you know, when like
Like
the water.
mist.
Yeah, mist kind of.
Can we smudge it?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's good smudging.
Yeah, so just for extra detail, you guys can smudge it.
Yep.
So now we would, like, if we're bringing it straight, then we would, like, go it kind of diagonal and then make, like, squiggly lines.
Okay.
And then, like, stop right there
Like-
so we can add, like, a rock there
Okay.
for detail.
Okay.
I'm going to leave a space for, like...
Okay. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to leave a space, but...
You know, I'll just leave a space.
And then kind of the same thing.
Are you doing this?
Yeah. And then we can draw like little lily pads,
Okay.
like you guys know Pac-Man, right? Kind of like that.
Okay, yeah. Just gonna draw it. Can you draw it anywhere you like?
Yeah, anywhere in the lake or river.
Okay. I'll draw 4, I guess. It's the maximum.
Yeah, I'm gonna draw 2.
Sure.
And then
there.
kind of around it, you can like add some rocks.
Rock. A little tiny rock.
So you can also add it here and then like erase the inside.
Okay, yeah. A little semicircle there, and then erase the inside.
Just a few more.
Yeah, we should draw. I'm gonna draw one maybe, like right here. Okay.
So then, waterfalls are usually like in a forest, so we're gonna draw like some trees, like, so first let's make like the ground,
Okay.
kind of just make it kind of straight and some kind of squiggly.
Okay.
So now we're gonna draw our tree's trunk,
Okay.
so just kind of do that, and we'll erase the inside.
Yep.
Then you guys can like decide if you want to draw like a blossom tree, an autumn tree,
Yep.
just a normal tree.
Okay.
Which tree should we make?
I don't know, like maybe a regular green tree.
Okay, so we'll decide that when we're coloring.
Yeah.
So right here, I'm just gonna make like a branch.
Okay. It's
go
hard to
over it.
draw branches.
Yeah. And then we are just gonna draw a regular tree.
Okay.
So, you know,
Little
make like the
Cloud,
little,
like a bubble. I like those bubbles.
And then, we can just do the same thing because a forest just doesn't have one tree.
Should we draw one here or should we leave it?
We can draw some next to it, but that won't take a lot of work because half of it's going to be behind. So you see, you can go like that.
Should we draw some bushes around it? That would look nice.
Yeah, we'll draw some bushes.
Stop right there. Okay. Make sure to erase the lines after
Yeah.
you overlap.
So we can make some bushes here. So again, just kind of like those cloud shape.
I'm gonna stop mine there and draw it.
Yeah, we can draw two behind and stuff.
Yep. Just gonna make a little curve and then two curves there.
So
Should we draw flowers? Is it gonna be that bad?
I don't know. You guys can draw whatever you want.
Yeah.
Any details.
So.
So we're gonna draw one more tree here.
Yep.
And so we're just repeating that same step.
Yeah.
We're gonna be right back. We're back.
Yeah.
And anyway, let's just continue.
Drawing our trees.
Yeah. So we're just gonna keep on drawing that cloud shape. Mine looks a bit fat, so I'm gonna kind of divide it.
Okay. Gonna make that a bit big. Yay. Okay. So this is my tree.
And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make another tree behind it.
Okay, I'm just gonna draw little bushes, little clouds on the surface. I'm just
So
gonna...
you guys can add as many trees as you want, basically.
And I'm just gonna kind of make it a bit hard, and I'm gonna add some flowers. It's not too much, or it will be hard for me to color it.
Okay, so if you guys want, you can kind of fill up the space. So how should we fill up this little space?
Good question. Should we draw I don't know, a little mountain going up, and then that's where the water's coming from?
Yeah, about that, yeah. I totally forgot about that.
No worries.
Okay, let's see. So we're gonna pretend there's a wall here.
Yeah.
And then we'll color it later. And here's where the wall ends, kind of. So kind of like a cliff.
Yep.
And then here's where the water comes from. So we're gonna kind of make a little cloud, but not fill it.
The mist. There's a lot of mists and waterfalls.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do that. Yeah. So we got you guys can make a little shade at the top of it to look like the water's going down. But anyway, we're gonna fill up this spot with
I had a question about trees. Should we connect it or should we not? I don't think we should. It will look bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to fast forward and outline this whole drawing.
Yeah, so you guys can cover this spot with a picnic bench or something like that. But we're
Be
gonna
creative.
fast forward.
we have like finished out outlining.
And erasing our pencil marks.
Yep, and
So I just forgot, if you guys do want to do this, you guys can add a bit of detail and do like the grass.
yeah, good idea. I made an M. And bunch of M&Ms.
They're like little mini mountains.
I think they're M&Ms. M&Ms. M&Ms.
Okay, so kind of like that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's fast forward again and go to the coloring part.
Yep. We're done drawing. Just in case it's like backwards, I'll just show you how beautiful it looks. So
Yeah.
this is how it looks.
So it's kind of like
Really pretty.
yeah. Okay.
And
And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
bye.